Meta AI. AI, in one way, a bit different than the others. I'll leave a link to where you can try it out in the description. As you can see, I've already had a conversation with Meta about a phishing scam, and it did very well once we had an actual conversation and I explained what I was trying to get done, and it did it in a nice way. What is different in this AI from the others I've used is the imagine function, something new, which is image creation. And watch what happens as I start to input my request for an image. A man walking. Keep your eye on it as I talk. It keeps changing as I describe what I'm looking for. In a park by the lake near a water fountain, getting a drink. Yes, I actually put him in the drink because he's not getting a drink. But as you noticed, as I typed, it tried to adapt to every little change I made in the prompt. So this is live as you go image creation. You can, of course, once created, report it as harmful content. You can, if you right click on it, save your image, copy the image address, and then you can use that image wherever you want. But it's a novel way of creating an image. Why not give Meta's AI a try, both to ask a question or have a conversation, or to imagine something new, like creating art or an image. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye bye, and thanks for watching and listening.